Hello everybody, my name is Philipp Eichenberger and today we're going to look at how you can use our Docker container with CodeServer. CodeServer is based on Visual Studio Code and allows us to show you some of our examples in a lightweight IDE within your browser without having to bother with dependencies or even installing Java. We expect that our Docker container is already mounted in a folder on your drive. If this is not yet the case, please check the README on our GitHub page where you will find the appropriate tutorials. Now, if the Docker container is already running on your machine, please open localhost 8042. And here we're already greeted with our password prompt. The password is JOpt in lowercase. And now we're already in our IDE where you will have access to several implementation examples which showcase the power of JOpt. Now, I changed the color scheme to dark because I like it more. And now I would like to show you a simple example. Okay. The first time you open a file, some prompts will come up. We suggest that you enable semantic highlighting. This is the example I wanted to show you. Now let's run the code in the top right. The first time you run the code, it might take some time because the dependencies need to be downloaded. When you start the container in a new folder, the newest version will be pulled from Git, so you should be up to date. Now, as we can see, we have an overtime violation in this example, which means that the resource didn't have enough time to visit all the nodes. Now, since this code is fully editable, let's change this. I see the resource only had 9 hours, which apparently was not enough. So let's change it to 12 and rerun the code. And now we see the violation is not here anymore. The changes in the code are persistent, so even when you stop the container and restart it, the changes will still be here and the violation is solved. So I hope you enjoyed this short sneak peek. Have fun experimenting with our code.